You'll have no delays adding flights with MasterTour's new real-time flight data entry. My name is Saders, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, we have a few days added in our one-offs tour that are some fly dates. So let's add some flights on this day from Nashville to Los Angeles. We'll click the Add New Day Travel and then choose Air. Now, an air travel can have multiple legs, so we need to add our first flight leg. So we'll click Add. All right, now MasterTour supports both commercial or private flights. So for our example here, we'll just continue with commercial. Our flight is Delta Airlines Flight 978, and so we'll enter that. Using just the airline and flight number, MasterTour will search and display to us real-time flight data from the airline's database. Here's our flight from Nashville to Los Angeles. We'll choose that and click Done. As simple as that, MasterTour has pulled in all the details about that flight, the departure and arrival times, the airports, and the time zones. Now, as the flight draws closer, MasterTour will also display gate and terminal information as well. Let's go back and we'll add another flight. This time we'll choose a private flight. Now, for private flights, we see fields for the airports and the times, as well as details about the plane. So we'll say this is a flight from John C. Toon in Nashville to John Wayne Airport in Orange County. All right, and let's see, there it is. Okay, and then we can also set the times for the flight. So we'll say that it's going to arrive, let's say 11:30. And we can also set the capacity for the planes. We'll say it holds 14 people and that it's a Gulfstream. On clicking Done, those details are stored right there for us. Now, a historical pain point in MasterTour has been managing flights that cross the date line in the Pacific. The new workflow allows you to manage those flights with ease. So let's add another flight here. But this time we'll say it's a flight from Sydney to Los Angeles. An example is American Airlines flight number 72. Okay, Sydney to Los Angeles. There it is. Now, upon adding that flight, you can see that it's pulled in and mapped all of the correct details, leaving in the morning in Sydney and then arriving in the morning to Los Angeles. Now, also, if we look at our schedule view, you can see that that block of time represented for the flight is accurate for our day schedule. MasterTour not only makes it easy to enter in the flights, but it can also serve as a tool for viewing flight status as well. Now, I'm making this video on July 14th, 2021. If we navigate to that day and we look at this flight that I have entered, you can see it is real time, currently in the air. You can see its progress, the time it departed, its estimated arrival time, and any disruptions that have occurred with the flight. Awesome. Now, these changes have also been applied to MasterTour Mobile, so let's change gears here and take a look at the mobile app. We'll start by looking at that flight that is currently in the air. And from the mobile app, you can see the same details as we can in the desktop. Its progress, the departure time, estimated arrival, even terminal and gate information. Let's go back and we'll also look at a few of those flights that we entered at the beginning. Here is that flight from Sydney to Los Angeles, and all the details are there, as well as the private flight as well. Everything is there for your mobile users. Real-time flight data is now available for all users in MasterTour to manage your flights better than ever.